Hey guys, I have the ODEN'S Eye mystery box for you guys. I finally broke my no buy. I was so curious to try ODEN'S Eye, and they had mystery boxes, and because I don't own any of their products, I thought I'd go ahead and buy the small mystery box. This is what it looks like. It comes nice and sealed, and I thought we could open it together and try the products together, because I've never tried any of their products and people rave about their stuff. I know they only sell face, like cheek products and eye products, so I'm hoping that that's the only thing that's gonna be in here. So I went ahead and laid down my foundation, powder, and base, and it's nice and bubble wrapped. I think this comes all the way from Sweden. It did take quite a bit of time to cross the pond over. And let me go ahead and open this up because it's super bubble wrap, so it has tape around it. First thing that I see in here is the NARS ODEN'S Eyes Mesmerize. I don't know if this is a highlight or if it is a cheek product. And like I said, I don't own any other products, so I'm super excited, and people just rave about their stuff. I love the packaging. It's absolutely just stunning. Look how beautiful. They do a lot of inspired kind of like goddess stuff. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is definitely a highlighter, and it has marbling in there with gold marbling. That's very beautiful. And then I see a lip product, and this is called Alva by ODEN'S Eye. It's a red cherry lipstick. So I'm just gonna unbox it, and then I'll probably put timestamps down below where the try on is. The packaging is very beautiful, and then let's see what the color looks like. Oh, that is a gorgeous red. And hopefully we'll be able to do a look trying all of these products. And then the next thing that I got in here is a small eyeshadow palette, I wanna say. This is the Alva 2 Mini Ocean palette. This kind of has a mermaid on the front. Very beautiful. And let's see what the shadows look like. That is stunning. Just a blue eyeshadow palette with some warm tones here. And then the last thing in here is a bigger eyeshadow palette. And this is the Alva eyeshadow palette. So this is the Alva 2, the Mini Ocean, and this is the Alva 1. And I think this is gonna be a good introduction to see if I like their eyeshadows. And this whole box, if I'm not mistaken, was $40 plus free shipping, and I had a coupon code. So I feel like it's a good deal to try out their products. I feel like mystery boxes are a great way if you don't own anything from a brand to try out a brand. Oh, I love the packaging on this. It's matte with a kind of like it rises up and you can feel it. And there's a little fairy here on the side. And let's go ahead and see what this one looks like. Oh, this is definitely my kind of jam. These are all beautiful mauves and purples. I'm so happy I got this one. So let's go ahead, and I'm probably just gonna wear a little bit of bronzer, and then we'll probably do a purple look today. I'm gonna just jump into this palette today. Maybe if you guys are interested, I'll do a get ready with me with the blue one, but I'm definitely just gravitating towards this one. So let me go ahead and put some bronzer on, some eye primer, and then we can try out these three products, and then I'll leave the blue palette maybe for my Instagram. If you're not following me, you can follow me down below, or we can try doing a get ready with me here at some point. The first shade that I'm going to go into is Lotus, and I'm just going to apply this all over my crease. I am getting some kick up from it, just so that you guys know. So they are really soft. Oh, that didn't hardly have any pigmentation. So really soft eyeshadows. I thought they were going to be a little bit more pigmented. We'll see if I can build it up. There it goes. Maybe it's just until I loosen it up a little bit. So there it goes. It's finally putting some pigment onto the eyelid. Next, I'm going to take the shade Peony on a smaller brush just to deepen the crease and go underneath the Lotus shade. And I'm going to keep that more towards the outer part of my crease. And then on the lid, on the outer half of the lid, I'm going to take Cherry Blossom. It's gorgeous, like reddish color, and apply that on the outer part of the lid. I really want to use a few of these shimmers and see how they blend into each other. And definitely see why people are so in love. Their shimmers are very foiled and give a very beautiful effect on the eye. The next color I want to play with is Dandelion. It just looks absolutely stunning. So we're gonna put that on the mid lid. Oh my god, that shade is gorgeous. I definitely think that their shimmers are the winners here. No wonder people are so in love with them. They're just so metallic-y and gorgeous. Then for that inner corner, I'm gonna go in with Golden Tulipa and see how that performs on the inner corner. Oh my god, I'm so in love with that Dandelion shade. I kind of regret not using it by itself all over the lid. But these shimmers are absolutely stunning, especially the ones with all the glitters in them. They are just very metallic-y and gorgeous. And I'm just retouching some of the other shades. And I'm probably just gonna go in with a clean brush with nothing on it and then just blend out those edges just so that you don't see where I put in those shimmers. Shimmer. This is very, very beautiful. And then I'm gonna use just a little bit on a fluffy brush of this jasmine color. It's more of a neutral shade, just to clean up the underbrow area. And just blend everything together. And then we're gonna use Lotus for underneath the lash line. Just gonna keep it simple. And then on the inner corner, I'm gonna use Golden Tulipa just to open up the eye. And these are a little chunky. I can see it on some of my brushes. So you might want to play with different brushes and see which one picks up the product a little bit better. It seems like some of these synthetic ones pick them up a little bit better. You do kind of have to swipe down on some of these to get better application because they are a chunkier formulation. So you can see like the flakes in there, and you kind of like if you press down and swipe, it kind of just brings it all together. So this is what the eye look looks like. I'm gonna do the other eye off of camera and then we'll come back. But I wanted to try the other products as well. This is the highlight, and like I said, this is called Mesmerizer. This is the Veil of Future, and the shades on here are absolutely stunning. Hopefully this will focus and you guys can see how gorgeous. It has like a lavender, it has like a vanilla shade and a gold all in there. Very, very beautiful, gorgeous veining. Let's see what this highlighter looks like going on. Okay, so hopefully I didn't overdo it. Oh my god, that is glittery. Okay, so this is like if you want to look like a fairy. If not, you want to be a little bit more light-handed, but this is giving me definitely like fairy vibes. Very glittery, very shimmery, as you can see it there. Not a subtle one at all. Even if you just apply a little bit, you're gonna see that glitter, and it definitely shows. I think this is good for somebody who loves that glitter, loves that festival kind of look, or if you're going somewhere like that, that you want that kind of look, but it's a little overboard for like on a daily basis. Like I would never wear this to work. I just feel like it's a little too much. I would definitely have to just apply the tiniest amount if I was gonna wear it to work. This would look very beautiful like on an inner corner. Let's go ahead and use it on the inner corner and see what it looks like if I applied a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the inner corner to help pop out the eye. Wow, that is, whew. So this is a very like in your face kind of highlighter, depending on like what kind of look you want, but look at how stunning that is. I just put some underneath my brow bone as well. Very, very beautiful, absolutely stunning, like very fairy kind of vibes. Okay, and then let's go ahead and try out the lip product. This is a red shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and just line my lips. That's just something that I always do because I do have smaller lips. I'm gonna use the Cab Charming and go ahead and line my lips. I think it's really cool that all their products have little mirrors in them. And the shade is called Red Cherry. And it's definitely a matte lipstick, but it's very comfortable on the lips, and that is what Red Cherry looks like. Like I said, the packaging is really cute. It's kind of like longer than what a normal lipstick is. Let me see. Yeah, if you look at my MAC lipstick, look at the ODEN'S eye. It's a little bit longer. The bullet is, but it is very cute. I like the shade. It's not something that I usually wear on a normal basis, but it is very beautiful. I do like the formulation, and almost all of these say that they are made in China. So that is just something, if you're somebody who wants to know where all of these are made, all of them in the back said that they are made in China, including their palettes. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my other eye off camera and do my lashes and then show you guys the finished look. And here's the finished look with the mystery box. I feel like I am very happy with the box. I usually don't go for red lipsticks, but I'm still happy about the lipsticks. I will put the price points of all the products and the total around here so you guys can see what the total value is worth. But I do feel like I did get my money's worth because I do feel like their palettes are a little bit pricey, and I did get 2 of them. So I got one of their bigger ones and a smaller one, which makes me very happy because so many people rave about their palettes. And this way I can kind of play with the palette, really get to know the formulation, the textures, and see if I really love it as much as everyone else does. And then it's also fun that I got like a big wearable one, and then I got a small fun kind of one with blue shades that aren't usually my go-to picks for shades, but because it wasn't a mystery bundle, I feel like it was worth it, and it's a fun little palette to play with. This turquoise here is absolutely stunning. I can't wait to play with that one and see what I come up with. So very, very beautiful aesthetically. And then the highlight and the lipstick are really, really nice quality as well. And the highlight's starting to wear on me. I feel like this is something that I would wear more for filming or for going out. Not for work, but it is absolutely stunning. I feel like a fairy with it on. Let me know what your thoughts are. Did you get one of these mystery boxes? Do you think that it's worth it? And like I said, mystery boxes are awesome if you don't have any products from a brand, because you're kind of taking a chance. If you have a lot of products from a brand, you know you might get a duplicate. But if you don't have anything like me, that I didn't have not one single thing from ODEN'S, this is a great way of testing out the brand and seeing if you like anything from them. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. My social media is down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.